How to improve signal service on iPhone. First of all, you can simply turn on your airplane mode, scroll down through your control panel, tap on the airplane icon, and simply turn on your airplane mode. After doing that, simply turn it off again after a few minutes. And just like this, you have now reset your network, and like that, your signal might get better. So if that's not working, then another thing is to simply get to your settings, and then from here, tap on cellular. After doing that, tap on cellular data options, and then from here you can see voice and data mode. First of all, tap on voice and data, and you'll have to select 5G auto. After doing that, again go back and then tap on data mode. Currently it is on standard, tap on allow more data on 5G. After doing that, I'm pretty sure your signal will be stronger. But if it's not working, then another thing to do is simply try and check for any updates if you are using your eSIM. So for that, you'll have to go back, get to the main settings, and then from here scroll down, then tap on general, and then tap on about. After tapping on about, wait for a few seconds, and after a few seconds, if your eSIM requires any kind of update, there will be a pop-up. All you need to do is tap on update, and like that you'll be able to update your eSIM. So after updating it, I'm pretty sure your signal will be improved. But if that's not working, then another thing to check is whether you are using your low power mode or not. So again, go back to your settings. We are on the main settings, and again, then from here, scroll down a bit, tap on battery. And currently here you can see this is low power mode and mine's turned off. If it is turned on in yours, you'll have to tap on this toggle button and turn it off just like this. So after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then you can simply try to reinsert your physical SIM if you are using one. Your physical SIM will be right here on your phone. You'll have to simply take it out and wait for a few minutes or so, and then again reinsert the same and see if that's working or not. Even after all that, if it's still not working, then try to check for your phone's update. For that, again, get to the settings, and from your settings, simply tap on your account right here, and then from your settings, scroll down a bit and then tap on general. In here, you can tap on software update, and you can now check whether you are up to date or not. If there are any kind of software requirement, simply update your phone. So even after doing that, if it's still not working, then last thing that you can do is simply try to reset your network settings. For that, again, go back in general. Here you can see, scroll all the way down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset. Tap on reset network settings, and now enter your phone's passcode. All you have to do is now tap on reset network settings, and like that, all of your network settings will be reset. And just like this, and just like that, it will help improve your phone's signal. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.